Morning traders, Nick Mastrandrea, Market Tea Leaves, here to bring you our daily market bias video for Thursday, August 7th. It's approximately 6:05 a.m. on the East Coast. If we were to take a look at the overnight session, Asia closed mainly to the downside with the exception of the Japanese Nikkei exchange, which closed up somewhat. Currently right now in Europe, and this is current and ongoing, all of Europe is trading to the downside with the exception of the Milan exchange, which again is trading somewhat higher. Now, we were to take a look at the U.S. futures in terms of where they're pointing at. They seem to be pointing to a positive open. If we were to take a look at market correlation as it stands, currencies in terms of U.S. dollars trading higher. Been trading higher pretty much all morning long. Energies in terms of crude is trading down. There is correlation between the U.S. dollar and crude as it is broadcast. Financials in terms of the bonds are trading higher. In fact, the entire bond universe seems to be trading much higher. Indices in terms of the S&P, NASDAQ, Dow Jones Industrial Average all point to an upside open. Metals in terms of gold is trading down. Now, we will take a look at the economic news that's on the docket for the U.S. markets today. At 7:45 a.m., we have the minimum bid rate from European ECB. I point this out to you very simply because there's been times in the past when the ECB has had their press conference and Mario Draghi, who's the equivalent of Janet Yellen in the U.S., made some off-the-wall comment, if you will, that sent the U.S. markets reeling. So each time they do this, I do point it out to you. Again, something to be mindful of, something to be on the lookout for. In terms of the U.S. markets, basically what we have is we have unemployment claims, which is usual and customary for a Thursday, and at 10:30 a.m. we have natural gas storage. At 3 o'clock we have consumer credit, and that could affect afternoon trading. Also, in tandem with the ECB minimum bid rate, we have an ECB press conference. Again, that starts at 8:30, right around the time that our unemployment claims come out. All in all, bias is neutral. And the reason why we're suggesting this is very simply this. The U.S. dollar and the bonds are trading higher. Now, ordinarily, I would turn around and say that this does not bode well for an upside day. However, we're not seeing any follow-through in terms of the indexes themselves, the indices themselves. For whatever reason, they seem to be bucking the trend and are continuing to progress forward. Could this change? Absolutely. The ECB could say something. Unemployment claims could be not what anyone expects. So basically, again, remember, neutral bias means the markets could go in any direction today. So if trading, it's something to be mindful of. Best course of action would be to wait until the economic news gets reported, see how the market is shaping up, and then make a decision accordingly if trading today. Thanks. Hope this helps. Look forward to the next time with you.